Okay, so this is pretty crazy. You can actually go from zero to more than $500 in under 25 minutes of work. You don't have to invest anything, and even beginners can do this. So just go to your laptop and type in Welcome back to the Millennial Entrepreneur, where I teach you each and every way to make money online. And first, I gotta say, I'm pretty excited about today's video. So before we get started, make sure that you watch all the way till the end and don't skip any parts. That way you will have a real understanding of this strategy, and you can start making money with it today. But before we dive into the tutorial, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. This really helps me out and encourages me to make more videos for you guys. Plus, you'll get notified each time a new strategy is released, so you can be one of the first people to try it out and be ahead of the competition. With that being said, let's jump into my computer so I can show you how you can make $500 for less than 30 minutes of work. Let's get started. We are now inside my computer, and this is one of the platforms that will be paying us to create different slideshows that we will be using. And don't worry, we're not going to be selling the slideshow that we're using, and you're not going to be promoting in the videos. You don't have to show your face, and you don't have to film anything. I'll show you a step-by-step process on how to use those slideshows. So these slideshow videos are made from scratch, and they are absolutely free, by the way. So after I show you all the steps, we'll come back to this platform, and then I'll show you how to get paid from this. Best part? No application, and you don't have to wait to get approved. And there is no catch of having a lot of experience either. Literally anyone and everyday people can use this website and post the slideshows I'm about to show you and create. I'm telling you, you'll make a lot of money from this. I'm also gonna show you proof that this works by showing you different people that use this every day. Now before we get back to this platform and post our slideshows, we have to go to Google and search for different lists. For example, you can search for top 10 lists such as top 10 skills to improve your reading, and etc. For the sake of this video, I will search for top 10 skills to improve your confidence. Just like you search for the top 10 skills, what you want to do is open up some website and an article that gives you top 10 tips. I will then open up this one that will give me this specific list here. You can see the numbers, and you can also see the actual list with the steps to improve your confidence. I'll leave it open like that, and then I will go to the second platform. The second platform is Canva.com. This is an absolutely free platform which gives you thousands of different templates that enable you to drag and drop and create nice and professional designs. You will need to create an account, which is absolutely free, so don't worry, and you can even connect it with your Facebook account. This is easier and faster, and within no time, you have an account. Once you do that, click on the left-hand side where it says Templates. This will give you all the different templates that you can use, but what we'll be focusing on are the YouTube thumbnails. And don't worry, you won't be posting any videos on YouTube, and you don't have to be in front of the camera at all. I'm just going to be using this template because it will shoot for our slideshow videos. So I will do some YouTube thumbnails. For example, I will pick this one by clicking on it, and then clicking on Use this template. You can use whichever template you want. I am only using this one as an example. I'll change the background so I can delete this by pressing delete on my keyboard, of course. And then I will select a different background by finding something that is more serious or professional. I'm gonna pick this and double click on this to remove the heading and put on a different one, such as number 1 skill. And then I will remove this one and type in or paste the same thing. I will then cut the negative self-talk and then paste it in here. Alright, sick. This is gonna look pretty nice. This is our first image, and now we just need to create 10 different images just like this one. And what you want to do is add all of the different tips and skills on our slideshow. Once you've created the first one, you'll then need to click download right here. Now that we have the first one, I will click on another one so you can have a clear picture on what we're doing. I will then exchange this with a number 2 skill, and I will then add boost your knowledge. I will then download it and download it again. I will then keep repeating the same process until I have uploaded all the different images that are talking about these 10 skills. As you do this, you will need a voiceover for this slideshow, just like what I'm doing right now for this video. If you don't want to record your voice, although it is pretty simple to do if you have a microphone, but if you do not have a microphone or simply do not want to do it, don't worry, there is a software that can do this for you. You can also use this website, ttsreader.com. and find some article or thoughts about those specific skills. and you can find different content and will need to make it at least 100 to 200 words per slide. Then take those words and paste them in here. This software will then read it for you. As you can see, this is very professional and high quality, and what TTS Reader has done is read the text for me. Once I am done, I will then click on download and I will get that audio file on my computer. Oh, and by the way, the best thing? It's free. This means that it's free to use, but in order to get the commercial rights to use in your slideshow videos, you will need to pay around $10. This will help you get the rights, but if you don't want to invest anything in this, don't worry, as there is another platform that you can use. This platform is text-to-speech.org. What you do is paste your text in here to start, and you will be able to listen to the audio file and download it on your computer. This is also absolutely free and gives you the right to do so already. No need to buy it. This is pretty great. However, it is, as you can see, not as high quality or professional as the paid one. But it is absolutely free and gives us the right already. So if you like it, just click on MP3 or that audio file below it. I will go with the MP3 file and download that audio file to my computer. Now what we need to do is combine that slide with the audio file International Slideshow video. What you need to do is come over to clideo.com, that's C-L-I-D-E-O, and then select Slideshow right here. Although you can use any video editing software you prefer, I prefer using this one because it's beginner friendly and it's simple and absolutely free. It's even cloud-based, which means you don't have to install it on your computer and you can just use it on the web. Okay, I'm gonna click on Slideshow and choose Files, and then I will just try to find those images. Alright, these are my images. I'm gonna open them up and then drag this first one, the skill number 1, and add some audio. This audio is going to be my speech from the text-to-speech.com, which is my voiceover in the background. So that is basically it for the first slide. I will then click on Create, and this will create my slideshow video. As you can see, this literally took less than 5 minutes. But because I was explaining, it may look like it took a bit longer, but it really didn't. If you're not explaining anything or creating a video around it, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot shorter. Now that you have your slideshow video with you, you must be wondering, how can you actually make money from this? Well, here's how. You'll need to come over to Skillshare.com, which is one of the platforms we shall be using. Skillshare.com allows you to post some courses on here to teach people different skills, different hacks, and etc. Then you're going to get paid from that. You don't have to sell those courses, because Skillshare drives traffic to your courses themselves, and the students on Skillshare, they pay a monthly fee to the website and you will make money every time they watch your videos. You'll get paid anywhere from 5 to 10 cents every minute they sell your course, which is great because you don't need to sell it yourself. You don't need to find traffic yourself, and you don't need a following, an audience, or previous skills experience. You don't need to be an affiliate or CPA marketing, etc. You will still be able to make a lot of money from this, and the actual idea for this video came from this article right here where this person made $528 within a 24-minute class on Skillshare. Is this proof enough for you? I made hundreds of dollars in a 20-minute class, and I am making passive income every single month as well. So once you make that video on Skillshare, you can still keep making passive income because it will stay there forever. And whenever a student from Skillshare watches your class, you are going to get paid, and on Skillshare, there are thousands of people with different skills. This person right here made a 41-minute long video teaching people about how they can boost their confidence. And what she has is this image, and the image is not even as high quality as ours, and she talks in the background. This person made a killing out of this single video. The longer your video, the more money you can make, and basically you can go to Skillshare and find thousands of these similar courses and videos with voiceovers in the background, and people are making an absolute killing. These are normal people, by the way, without any influencers and don't have any social media following at all. If you just Google it, you'll see some beginners coming over to Skillshare and making a killing even in the first month. So how do you get started on Skillshare after you have created a slideshow or a class? You come over to Skillshare.com and create an account for free as a teacher. And then once you log into an account, come over here, Teach, and then click on Create Class. This will take you to this page, and click on Start a Class. That will take you over to another page where you will upload your videos and lectures. You can do between 10 to 15 different lectures and fill in the details and then publish it, and that is it. Skillshare will now drive traffic to your classes, and you will make money without doing anything. Of course, the more classes you have, the more money you will make. Keep in mind, however, that Skillshare allows you to post only one class per week, but that's okay. I know someone who posted just 9 classes a week in a year and he made over $300,000. This shows that it has a lot of potential. Of course, I don't know how they did it and do not expect to make that much money. Another place you can post the classes is at udemy.com. That's udemy.com. Okay, so go to the website and search for top 10 skills to build your confidence, like our example. You can see many results here and people are making a killing. The website again will drive traffic to your classes. For example, this person made over 1,000 sales at $10, which made him over $11,000. This shows how they made a lot of money in pure passive income, and they keep earning over and over again. If you're unable to find enough information about your classes on Google, what you can do is go to diskudemy.com and find more classes. And Udemy allows you to grab different Udemy courses for free. Just select what you prefer. For example, grab this one about Facebook ads and marketing, grab this, and then scroll down and click on coupon code. Here you can grab it for free, and then enroll at $100 off. Go through the course and the training and then recreate it in your own words in a slideshow video. And that is how you can create an unlimited number of these classes which you can post on Skillshare and Udemy and make some money on passive income. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, do not forget to drop a like and a thumbs up, which really helps me, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.